Hey guys, Dan with Grid Overland. I want to talk about a really important thing as you're doing research on Class B camper vans or all-wheel drive camper vans, whatever it is that you've searched for and however you landed on this video. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. So I want to give something back to you. When we started this company, we built some custom vans. We kind of went all across the board. We've built the Ram ProMaster, the Sprinter van, and now landed on the Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis. We build a production van that is upgradable, and you can add your own stuff, and we can install those things for you in certain ways that make it your own. What we do not do is custom, and there's a reason we don't do custom. There's a lot of shops out there that will do it. The cost is usually much higher because it requires a lot more re-engineering, rethought process, and redesign on the front end of that. And there's another reason we decided to stop doing it. If you look inside this van, this is a partially completed van here in our facility. It's got most of its insulation in it. It's got the infrastructure and now panels. You can also see out of the walls are coming a bunch of wiring, a bunch of wires, communication cables, power cords, all that kind of stuff. There is a ton of behind the scenes infrastructure and design that happens. And we've put out about 200 of these vans where the wiring is in almost the exact same spot, which leads to longevity, durability, reliability, and way fewer possible failure points. When you go to the custom side, and this is not me talking bad about it because there's some rad stuff that you can get in a custom van, I want you to go in with your eyes wide open. When you switch from a production model that's repeated over and over and over, where we've had the opportunity to hone in exactly what we do, so there's less failure points, you trade that custom side for exactly what you want facade-wise, and it's beautiful, but you should know they're changing where wiring goes, they're changing where plumbing goes, they're changing how things mount to the van. So every time you do that, techs are human. There's the possibility of making a mistake. Your quality control process changes, your design changes. And so what I hope for you guys is going in with your eyes wide open, that if you're gonna go the custom route, that's cool, it's gonna be amazing, I'm sure of it. But just be aware that the likelihood of having failure points increase is high. So if that's the choice, go in with your eyes wide open and just know that you might have some bumps along the road for that first while. That's one of the reasons we've chosen to do an upgradable production model. You can look at our upgrade calculator. You can add extra storage. You can add lift kits and all kinds of other upgrades. Check out our website, gritoverland.com. If you want to have a behind the scenes tour and come check out more about how the sausage is made, we'd love to have you at the facility. You can reach Kirk, our sales manager, through our website.